Well, this morning we managed to stay dry over much of the start of our Friday, but as we see on Exact Track radar, the afternoon isn't going to be quite as okay because we have these rain showers just now starting to reach the southern half of our area, just starting to reach the Byron and Rochelle areas right now, already covering Lee County, and there's more of it to come across central Illinois, even some thunderstorms near Peoria at this hour. These are going to continue moving our way over the next few hours, so hopefully you grab that umbrella before you head out the door this morning. But if you do have to head out, make sure you've got a good handle on that umbrella too. We also have some pretty gusty winds later on this afternoon. But as we see here on Future Track, rain becoming widespread as we head over into the lunchtime. So by noon or 1 o'clock, this rain becoming widespread. And then we'll have to watch for these pockets of heavier rainfall. Could be some rumbles of thunder there too, which we do want to take seriously, because if you hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. So keep that in mind. The bulk of this activity should be exiting by about 4 or 5 o'clock. So we get a good break here late in the afternoon, early into the evening. But then as we head towards the nighttime hours, by about 8, 9 o'clock, we're going to be watching for some spotty thunderstorms to develop. And that could bring a very slight chance for some severe weather. And that clearly will clear out as we head into the overnight hours. But for this round, very spotty activity, could be capable of some gusty winds and some hail with this. That's why we have a level 1 out of 5 risk in this green shading here. Not too worried about this, especially compared to what we could be seeing over the weekend. So tonight, where those storms will be exiting, temperatures not moving all that much, only down about 57. In fact, we'll probably be seeing those temperatures warming over the overnight hours as these gusty winds are bringing in some much warmer air and also some higher humidity. So tomorrow into the 80s, potentially fairly humid and pretty windy, but then that could provide the environment for some stronger storms later in the day. We're in a level 2 out of 5 risk here. All hazards in play if these thunderstorms can develop in our area, as we see on Future Track. Most of the day is dry. We don't have any problems. But then later on towards the nighttime hours, closer towards 7 or 8 o'clock, we're going to be watching these developing thunderstorms. Highest risk for this, farther north and west you go, but then we're going to continue to watch these developing. There's where we could have these all hazards possible with those thunderstorms developing, but they will be weakening later at night. That's because, as usual, at nighttime, these thunderstorms will be dissipating, but we could have some lingering showers and storms into Sunday morning, which could affect the Sunday severe weather risks. So we do have to keep that in mind too. Level 1 out of 5 for Sunday evening, but we have to see how that Saturday round pans out. Otherwise, warmer temperatures holding on even as rain moves out on Monday, I should say. And in the most accurate 10-day forecast, we're going to be seeing much more sunshine for the first few days of May. And thankfully, Claudia, the warmer temperatures are here to stay.